Hey guys, Broco TV 503 here. I'm doing another small job. This time it's gonna be a concrete slab. As you can see, I'm already breaking it. This concrete has no rebar. It's pretty much 6 inches thickness. We're going to be replacing it. All of this is gonna come out. We're gonna frame a new one and we're gonna pour it. I'm gonna be unloading the progress tomorrow and today. Probably another short video in the evening. If this short video at least 20 likes, I will continue and make sure I record the whole project until finish. But this is day one. Hope you like the video. I'm gonna be reading y'all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.